Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video I'm gonna share with you something I got from Shein from a while. I tried half of it. I can show it when I'm wearing it, so I decided to show you on a table, which is some underwear. So this palette that I got from a while, I used them and I can't talk about them like freely. So first of all, I'm sorry for the I don't know, it was clean, like the three of them were clean, but I don't know what happened. But anyway, so this is a palette that I got. It's a set of 3. I choose these beautiful colors because they matches the panties that I'm gonna show you in a minute. But I wanted to make a quick review about these because they are so beautiful. They are so soft on the skin, especially in a very hot weather, because I can't stand anything when I am hot while I'm traveling to work, going to work, because I live in a city and work in another city. So I travel for about 2 or 3 hours to go to work. So in hot weather I can't stand anything. It makes me sweaty and so tight around my body. So these are so beautiful. I can feel them while I'm wearing them, and as you can see, they are very stretchable. They are so soft. The fabric itself, you can feel it over your body. The bra itself is so lovely and beautiful. The bad thing about this one, it doesn't hold you pressed in a very good position. If you have kind of a bigger pressed or kind of a loose press, it will not hold it in place perfectly. It helps to cover your nipples, of course, but it will not hold it like the regular pull-up bra. It will just go a little bit sloppy like this. So to fix this, I have 2 things to do. First of all, I add the clip of the bra. It will just hold the bra from the back on the straps right here. Really helps to make it more in position and how to shape my breast in a good position, not too sloppy. I don't have a bigger boobs actually. My boobs kind of a medium size. So this trick, this clip thing, I can recall the name. I'm gonna write it in the screen here, or I'm gonna link it in the description box where I got it from Amazon. I don't have him here. They are inside with the cats. I will not open the door. So I guess you know it. And this is what I always use. And the second thing, that when I remove the pad or the batting, as you can see, it's very soft, very nice. The batting is a very soft one. This is what inside I removed this one. As you can see, it can be removed from these here. You can remove it from here. If you want to wash it, you remove the pad and wash it and then take it back. And the batting is so soft and so thin. So what I do, I change it with another one that I got from Amazon. It had this little bit of cushioning thing in here, and a little bit sturdy, and it's not harsh. It's a little bit stronger than this one. This one is very soft. This one is a little bit stronger. So this helps to shape the breast in a better way with the back strap part. So I changed the batting with these ones. You can find it in Amazon. Really great job. Do great job in holding everything in place and makes my breast look pretty good. Like I'm wearing a regular bra, but it's a softer bra, so I can feel it when I'm going to work. I'm gonna show you how it look. These are there were mini sets actually, but I choose this beautiful ones. So soft and so beautiful. I really love them so much. And I got these panties. I didn't try them yet, but I just I didn't try them yet because I really want to show you how it looks. So these are the panties that I got. This is the front part and this is the back part. It's a kind of a thong thing. So it's really beautiful, and the good thing, really matches my my stuff. So again, it was it's the 7 panties in the same set. It was multiple colors, but I choose this one to match my bra. And I have the black one, so as you can see, it looks beautiful. Again, the fabric is so amazing. It's a laser cut, so it will not be visible underneath your clothes, which is perfect because I don't feel comfortable when my painty line just appear from my jeans or my clothes. I don't like it. I always like love this kind of a laser cut, very soft like outer line, so it's not visible, completely invisible, and perfect, and really nice. I didn't try them, but it feels so soft, just like the bra. So yeah, I guess they would be so comfortable. So this is for this video. I really hope you like it. Yeah, I can show them to you while I'm wearing them. So I decided to make this quick review about these because they are so beautiful and really recommend them. Really nice, really soft, especially if you don't like having something like holding your breasts like all the time and makes you annoying, like really annoyed, especially when going to work. Because this is me. This is our so soft umbrella. I really love them and I really recommend them. So I'm gonna link these two things in the description box down below if you are interested in buying them or go and see them. There were a lot of good reviews on the Shein beige for these products. So yeah, this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.